Presenting a Growing Little Ones video. Hey everybody, I am so excited to share the remote control Arlo with you. And here's his remote, and he actually walks and you can control where he goes, and his mouth opens and closes. I've already done a video on the walking and talking Arlo, and that's him, and he walks and talks. And there he goes. And I've done a video of the Charge and Fly Thunderclap launcher, and he is pretty awesome. You'll have to check out the video of him. But let's go ahead and get inside and check this guy out. Let's see if we can get him open. There we go. And I thought this guy looked so neat because most remote control toys have wheels, but he actually walks. And let's see if we can bust him out of here. We'll undo all these little strings. There we go. Just 1 foot left. And he's free! So he's out of the box, and I've got batteries in him now. He takes 2 AAAs, and the remote takes 2 AAAs. And you have forwards, and then this one will cause him to turn around so you can go a different way. Okay, let's go ahead and get him going. We're going to press forward. And you can see his mouth opening and closing. Oh, look at that! He's run into the DinoTruX gang. And let's back him up. And he's turning around. He's kind of stuck on Garby's nose there. Ooh! And let's go forwards. Go forwards. There you go, Arlo. Kind of looks like a baby bird, like he's hungry all the time.
It's over, DINOTRUX. I can dig it.
And let's back it up. And see, he kind of goes in a circle when you back him up. So you can choose a different direction.
Alright, let's get building. Alright, I can dig it.
Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.